Today, I'm going to expose the biggest retirement scam that nobody likes to talk about, but more importantly, how you're going to be able to escape it. By the end of this video, you're going to have a step-by-step strategy on how to earn extra income towards your retirement, even if you don't have a ton of savings or any business experience. And don't worry, this isn't about investing in risky stocks or hoping for a miracle. This is about creating real, predictable income streams. And I'm gonna break it down so clearly that anyone can do it. For years, we've been told to work your job, save properly, and then one day we'll be able to just retire comfortably. Sounds good, right? But here's the problem. Saving alone is not enough. Inflation alone eats up most of your savings. Inflation eats away at your savings faster than people realize. The magic retirement number keeps rising, and what used to be enough is no longer enough. Social Security is uncertain, and most people struggle to live on that alone anyway. 401ks aren't guaranteed. There's market crashes, there's fees, and slow growth can simply drain your nest egg. So if we can't rely on these old school methods, what is the alternative? Creating passive income streams. The wealthy don't just save money, they create systems that pay them every month, whether they're working or not. And no, I'm not talking about becoming a landlord or starting some complicated business. I'm talking about a simple, proven strategy that regular people are using to create income. The goal here is to set up digital income streams that money comes in even while you're asleep. And the best part is, you don't need advanced tech skills or any special skills at all. You also don't need to create your own product. Here's the approach. Leverage digital assets and automation to create long-term scalable income. So now let's dive into the step-by-step so you can start creating income by using this strategy yourself. Step one is choosing a profitable, low-maintenance business model. There are lots of ways to make money online, but not all of them are practical for regular, everyday people like us. Here are 3 of the best options for earning money online. Number 1, digital products. Once those products are in your hands, whether you create them or they're created for you, you can sell them over and over again without any extra effort. They can be ebooks, they can be templates, they could be digital courses. The second option is an automated online business, using a done-for-you product that generates sales automatically, where you're promoting other people's products and earning a commission. But with digital products, there's no inventory, there's no shipping, there's no returns, and there's really no customer service. These models are powerful because you don't trade time for money like a regular job. You do the work one time and it keeps paying you over time, over and over again. Step 2, find a proven system. Here's why most people get stuck. They try to figure out everything on their own. Instead, the easiest way to get started is follow a proven system that's already working for thousands of people. Let's break down exactly what that looks like. Pick a profitable niche. Focus on solving a real problem, like health, like finances, like relationships. Find high converting offers. Products or services that are already selling well and are already proven. Products that offer reoccurring income streams. And also, find an automated sales process. Instead of chasing sales, use tools like email marketing and funnels that handle all the selling for you. Think of this sort of like a vending machine. You set it up one time and it keeps generating income with little effort. Step 3, create a simple, low effort traffic strategy like social media. Now you're probably wondering, how do I actually make money with this? Simple. You need to make sure that people find your offer. The good news is you don't need a big following or tons of followers to begin. Here's 3 easy ways to drive traffic: TikTok and YouTube Shorts, short form content is booming right now. Create simple videos that highlight your niche. Pinterest and blogging is another option. And then possibly the most important is building an email list. Capture leads and send automated emails out. Build trust and drive sales. With just a couple of hours a day, you can start attracting people towards your offer. And once you set up an automated system, it keeps working for you, even while you're asleep. So final thoughts on escaping that trap. The biggest retirement scam is thinking that savings alone will allow you to retire comfortably. The truth, you need another income source. You need another income source that works for you, not just money sitting in an account. Follow a proven system that offers a way to solve people's problems. Use simple free traffic methods like social media. Any platform works. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. Now here's the thing. You don't need to be a tech expert or a social media influencer to do this. Regular people who are stuck just like you can do this and are making this work every single day. Now, if you got value from this video, please grab my link below. It will spell all of this out for you and give you access to much more content that can help you while you're thinking about how to start an online business and how to provide an extra stream of income for you and your family. Grab the link below.